very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. With this beautiful thought, myself, Palak Manglani of class 10C, with my classmates is going to lead today's assembly.
A day without prayer is a day without blessing. A life without prayer is a life without power. With this quote, I would like to invite my classmates to sing a prayer.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We will walk hand in hand, we will walk hand in hand, we will walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday.
Happy morning, my dear students. Let us begin this day with a small prayer. Almighty God, source of life, we worship and praise you. You are the truth and origin of all knowledge. Bless us that we may study well, obey our parents and teachers, and be honest in our behavior. Lead us from darkness to light. Bless our studies and enlighten our intellect. Grant us the grace to seek truth and make us truly wise.
Now I would like to invite few of my classmates to sing a melodious school anthem.
Scenes of a childhood, scenes of a youth, scenes of a childhood, scenes of a youth. The school we love and cherish, the school we love and cherish, preparing us for life's tough twist, preparing us for life's tough twist. St. Xavier's forever we will chirp, St. Xavier's forever we will chirp. God bless our dear old school, God bless our dear old school. Our principal, father, teachers, our principal, father, teachers, our playmates, students, all other friends, our playmates, students, all other friends who will write our names in modern, who will write our names in modern. St. Xavier's our alma mater friends, St. Xavier's our alma mater friends. God bless you is our daily prayer, God bless you is our daily prayer.
Reuse the past, recycle the present, reduce pollution in the future. With this quote, I would like to invite my classmate Harsh Shukla to deliver a speech on the 3 R's of waste management, that is, recycle, reuse and reduce.
Good morning, respected father, principal, sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Harsh Shukla of Standard 10C. Today I am going to deliver a speech on 3 R's of waste management. If you have ever heard something called waste hierarchy, then you may be wondered what that means. Well, it is the order of priority of actions to be taken to reduce, to improve the overall waste management process and programs. The waste hierarchy consists of 3 R's. They are reduce, reuse and recycle. Now, you might be wondering, how can we incorporate these principles into our daily life? They are not that much hard to implement. Let us understand them. reduce. It is the first and most effective among 3 R's. Items like plastic bottles in the way they use less material in another way to reduce consumptions. Using steel cutlery instead of plastics, buying used goods, mending clothes instead of buying new ones are some of examples. Reuse. Rather than throwing out items, consumer can find new uses for them and thereby can reduce consumption of new resources. Containers can be reused at home or for school projects. Outgrown clothes can be given to needy people or in charity. These are some of examples of reuse. Recycle. Recycle is third of 3 R's. It means converting waste material into new material or object. It can also prevent the waste of potentially and useful material and can reduce consumption of fresh raw materials and by reducing the energy use, air pollution and water pollution. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Harsh, for giving such a wonderful speech. As a teenager, we make lots of mistakes that should not be done. So, to know more about the mistakes done by the teenager, I would like to call one of my friend Arpita Gilva to deliver a speech on a topic mistakes made by the teenagers.
A warm and cheerful good morning to respected father principals, sisters, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Arpita Gilva from Standard 10C going to speak about the mistakes we all make as teenagers. We all pass from teenage. Being a teenager is a chance to learn about who we are. It's a chance to embrace ourselves without being judged as an adult. So while we cannot really blame ourselves for what we got up to, there are definitely some things when we look back we wish we could erase it. Here are some mistakes we all make as teenagers. Not listening enough to our parents. In this year, we find our parents weird, old and not able to understand us. We realize much later on that they were pretty wise about lot of things, on matter of heart and on matter of our future. Shouting at our parents without any reasons. We know that our parents are just trying to make us eat and get our homework done. We realize much later on that we were so stupid and how they ever put up with us. Drinking, smoking and taking drugs just because a friend does so. We see some of our friends drinking, smoking or taking drugs. We feel that it was so kind fun and exciting and it feels so adult. But when we'll grow up, we'll have to face many health problems. So, during teenage, try to understand what is right, what is wrong. Respect our parents as they are our well-wishers. Make mistake and learn from it, but never repeat it. Have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Arpita, for giving such a beautiful message that during teenage, make mistakes but never repeat it. Now, I would like to call Simran Narwani to motivate us with a beautiful thought.
Good morning, respected father principals, sisters, teachers and all my dear friends. I, Simran Narwani of class 10C is here to present thought of the day. Accept your past without regret. Handle your present with confidence and face your future without fear. I repeat my thought, accept your past without regret. Handle your present with confidence and face your future without fear. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Pledge is a way to make us aware of our duties towards our nation. So I request our class teacher Pooja ma'am to lead us with the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers and all my elders and treat everyone with courtesy. I pledge my devotion to my country and its people. My happiness lies in their well-being and prosperity.
Many feelings come and go, but that feeling when we hear our national anthem that raises our goosebumps is irreplaced magical. With these wonderful lines, I would like to request you all to get ready for the national anthem.